What's up, YouTube? Tim here. Everything's sharp. I hope y'all are having a good day. Hope y'all having a good weekend. We got a couple of knife unboxings. One is really special. I got the package last night. I just slid this open to see what it was. The other one, I think I know what it is. It's going to be something cool, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's dive right in here. This first package we got in is a buck knife. Probably one of my first knives I ever had as a kid was a Sodbuster Jr. my dad gave me. And I remember, y'all can laugh, but watching Dukes of Hazzard, that's how old I am. Watching Dukes of Hazzard, and the Duke boys always had a buck 110 on them with a sheath. So there used to be the little bucks, like at the flea markets and stuff. Not a real buck, but I remember Dad got me one, and ever since I've been that little, I've had love for pocket knives. I like to have that Sodbuster back, but who knows where it's at. Those little buck knives, those little knockoffs, the clones, were probably like Pakistan or something, but I remember putting it on my belt as a kid and running around. But these buck knives, I have a special spot in my heart for them because they helped install my passion for knives at a young age. So, buck established 1902. Comes with a bag here. We've got the Buck 112 Ranger Pro. Micarta. Aluminum. She is thick. She is thick. That's why I had this one out. I was just looking at it. This is the Buck 112 lightweight. I don't know why Buck thinks we need these big handles on these knives. This is like 3/4 of an inch thick to 5/8 of an inch thick. But it feels really good in the hand. It's got the Boss heat treat with the S30V. Thumb studs for deployment. It's a lock back. It's at the back. Very smooth action. It does have a pocket clip. Get your finger caught in there. It just rolls out really smooth. It's got a deep drop point, clip point blade on it. Real fine hollow grind. In and out the pocket. It goes in and out super smooth. Where this is really smooth aluminum and micarta. So yeah, the Buck 112 Ranger. Aluminum frame. OD green micarta. The transitions are super smooth. The fit and finish is really good. Pocket clip's really good. And the spring on it's very, very good. Very tight. You can hear it lock. It's got that deep hollow grind on it. Let's do some size comparisons. This is a lightweight. I carry it a lot. So those two knives are the same size. Just so you can get an idea. A bug out and this knife is about the same size. But the thickness is where it gets a little crazy. This knife is 2 of this Benchmade bug out. But in hand, it feels really good, really solid. Really good and really solid. But yeah, I think I would like to find me one of the Bucks. I think it's a Buck 112 TRX with the S30V with the Boss heat treat. Because I do carry this knife a lot as a worker. but this knife, I'll carry it as a worker. Let's see if I can get that to focus. S30V on the blade with the Boss heat treat, so it'll be good steel. What's some of your knives you guys had as a kid growing up? So we got the Buck 112 Ranger Pro, Sport Pro. This knife was $99.99. Alright, let's get on to the next one. Alright, so I got this package yesterday, guys. And I wanted to share it with you, a live unboxing. Which this one was live too. I just cut the box before I got on. But I wanted to share this one with you, because I've wanted one of these knives for a long time. And I finally was able to afford one and pick one up. So this is about killed me waiting till this morning to open this up with you guys. So let's go on in here. We're going to use this Buck 112 lightweight to get in it. I'm opening it up from the back side. Bow. Because my information's on the front. If you hadn't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Help me out. Alright, y'all ready? Dum dum dum. Is there anything in here? They sent me an empty box, guys. They fleeced me. Dum. Y'all had to guess what y'all think it is. Oh, it's packaged really good. That's it, a big blob of bubble wrap. And then even the bigger bubble wrap. So if you like the small bubble wrap, we got that. First impression, it's very snappy, very poppy. If you don't like that, we got the big bubble wrap. Alright. Dum. Let me get rid of all this bubble wrap. Y'all ready for it? Bow! Oz Machine Company, proudly made in the USA. Y'all ready? No other stickers on the box. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I'm ready. Get that beauty. Stone washed titanium green accents. We got the Roosevelt. Oz Machine Knife Company, Roosevelt. Knife number, this is the 2658. Its birth date was 12/4/23. We got a 20 CV blade with a 62 HRC, smooth scale, all titanium construction. First impressions, this thing is very, very, very light. Very chamfered, well not chamfered, it's just milled around the edges here. The back spacer's got milling work on it too. The pocket clip. Oh my Jesus, yes. Man, now I see what everybody's talking about. Ergonomic monster. Very thin blade. I'm just speechless right now. Speechless is not the word. Lockups, money. Fall shut action is money. Very, very, very snappy. Blade centering is perfect. Very, very light. Man, I can't get over how light this is. It's light, but in the way that you can tell that it's very top quality, if you know what I mean. Sorry guys, I'm just getting my thoughts together here. Very thankful. Alright, so we got flat titanium, milling around the edge all the way around. We got a milled back spacer, a milled pocket clip, anodized green hardware, even on the lock bar screw. We got the Oz machine code number right there, 2658. And she is snappy as all get out. And when I thought about these knives for a while and watching videos on them, and I thought, man, that knife's going to be small. It does have a smaller blade per se. It's all belly, but you still got 3 inches of cutting edge here. And when you lock into that knife, I don't think I've ever felt a better knife locked in. I really don't. Drop shut action. It's very, 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 very snappy, guys. That blade stock is super thin. I bet it's going to be, oh my. The thing is super. Look how clean it cut that paper. Now some knives will leave fur on it when you cut it. Let me see. This one might do it. Alright. Well, that's a pretty sharp knife too. But that's what the Benchmade bug out do it. Yeah, it's not come across, but it leaves like a, you can feel when it cuts it. That one just straight through, straight destroyer. Alright guys, I'm sorry I'm keeping y'all too long on your weekend. Alright, so I got out some other more expensive knives to compare it to. This is a McNeese 3.5, shorter. The Hinderer XM18 3.5, shorter. And then we got, this is one of my favorite knives too, the Norseman. Of course it's going to be shorter. And we'll just do a comparison with the bug out on thickness. It's a tad bit thicker than the bug out. The Norseman's a thin knife. The Norseman is a tad bit thicker than the Oz. The McNeese is thicker than the Hinderer. I know it's thicker. You guys know it too. This knife has got some good ergos as well. So does that McNeese. Alright, let's weigh it and we'll get off here. I just want to say thank you for watching, stopping in and watching with me. I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. And I'm very grateful for you guys. Feeling thankful today. 2.9 ounces. Or the bug out is 2.8. No, 1.9. So, all titanium construction, 20 CV blade. 1 more ounce on the Oz. Thank you guys for watching. I hope each one of you have a good weekend. Till the next time, stay sharp.